OMG. लाइव कवरेज ये सारे से पकड़ने के लिए आए हैं जितने भी हैं.
You know, we are in a combat scenario and losses are a part of combat. The question that you must ask us, okay, and indeed that we must ask ourselves, you inclusive, is have we achieved our objectives? Have we achieved our objective of decimating that terrorist camp? And the answer is a thumping yes. And the results are for the whole world to see. And if I comment on anything, it will only be advantage adversary. So we don't want to give him any advantage at this stage. All I can say is that we have achieved our objectives that we selected, and all our pilots are back home.
Coincidentally, this is the place where my journey started. As you can see, the aircraft around, these were my inspiration. My grandfather used to get me over here to look at these aircraft, and seeing these vintage aircraft, it just filled me with that exhilaration and that passion to be in that cockpit and fly. That is how my journey started. My mother was a great source of inspiration who wanted me to be independent as well as educated. From there, she had backed me up. Initially I joined Air Wing NCC. I flew microlights. That ingrained in me that I want to fly, and there is no other profession as of now for me. The first time that I sat in the cockpit, you feel that nervousness, the anxiety when you are in that new environment. However, over a period of time, you get trained to be able to control that aircraft to its limits. So the first time when you go solo is that first time you feel that zeal that nobody else is there to land it, and that is what we have been told, that if you get airborne, you have to land. A lot of power, a lot of strength you can feel in that aircraft, and once you get airborne, you know that everything is below you and you are in control. Well, I want to be an astronaut, so let's hope that I complete my training and get on well.
You're training right now?
Yeah, basically, so to be one of the astronauts, we have to be a test pilot. So right now I am going for one of my courses, but surely soon, if I am qualified enough, I will be doing that.